Hello, today we will guide you through how to run a Monte Carlo simulation in ProjectionLab. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to interpret what you see, so you can quickly evaluate the resilience of a financial plan under uncertainty. Start by opening your web browser and heading to ProjectionLab. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land on the main interface where plans and tools are organized. If you're prompted to continue, simply proceed to the app. Keep in mind that nothing in this walkthrough requires personal details. We're just exploring the built-in features. Next, click on the sample plan. This is a safe, pre-configured scenario designed to help you learn without changing your own data. It opens a plan view with charts and summaries that illustrate income, expenses, and assets over time. Using a sample plan is a great way to understand how the simulation works before applying it to a real scenario. At the top of the plan view, look for the section labeled Chance of Success. This area summarizes how likely the plan is to meet its goals based on a range of possible market outcomes. Think of it as a quick snapshot of plan robustness. If your screen size is small, you may need to scroll slightly or check the top navigation area to find it. You're in the right place when you see wording related to success probability. Click on Chance of Success to open the detailed view. Here's where ProjectionLab brings Monte Carlo simulation to life. In simple terms, a Monte Carlo simulation runs your plan again and again, each time with a different set of randomized returns and conditions drawn from realistic ranges. This creates a distribution of outcomes rather than relying on a single forecast, allowing you to gauge how often the plan holds up under volatility. Now click Run. The simulation will process multiple trials, often thousands, in just a few moments. Once complete, you'll see an updated success percentage. Success typically means the plan does not run out of money over the time horizon you've defined. You may also see percentile bands or ranges that show how assets could evolve in less favorable and more favorable scenarios. Use this to understand not just the average path, but the spread of possible futures. That's all there is to running the simulation. Go to ProjectionLab, open the sample plan, locate Chance of Success, open it, and run. From here, you can review the results, note the success rate, and consider what level of variability you're comfortable with. This quick workflow gives you a powerful, realistic view of plan resilience without making any permanent changes.